Welcome to BioTime with Victoria. Today we're diving into one of the coolest, wildest, and most important topics in biology: ecology. What is ecology? Why should we care? And what do lions, mushrooms, and you have in common? We are about to see the web of life. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with each other and their environment. The environment includes everything around them: air, water, soil, and climate. Imagine Earth is like a huge party. Every organism is a guest. Studying ecology is like checking out the guest list, the snacks, the music, and even who's friends with who or who eats who. An ecosystem is all the living and non-living things in an area. That means plants, animals, and even bacteria, plus sunlight, water, and soil. Everything in an ecosystem is connected. It's like a group project where even the quietest person contributes something. Take a pond. You've got frogs, fish, algae. Those are the biotic parts. Then there's water, sunlight, mud. Those are the abiotic parts. If one thing like algae disappears, the whole pond party could crash. Let's talk about food. And no, not just Chipotle. In every ecosystem, energy flows from one organism to another. It all starts with the sun, which gives energy to producers. These are plants and algae that make their own food using sunlight. Then come the consumers. They can't make their own food, so they eat other organisms. You've got herbivores, animals like deer and rabbits that only eat plants, carnivores like lions and hawks who eat other animals, omnivores, humans, bears, raccoons. We eat both plants and animals. And finally, decomposers like mushrooms and bacteria break down dead stuff and recycle nutrients back into the environment. Now, you might have heard of a food chain, but those are just straight lines like plant, deer, wolf. But nature is way messier than that. That's why scientists use a food web which shows all the feeding relationships in an ecosystem. Okay, so here's the twist. If one species disappears, the whole system can get out of balance. Imagine wolves vanishing from a forest, deer might overgraze, plants die, soil erodes. That's why biodiversity and the variety of life is so important. In Yellowstone National Park, wolves were reintroduced after being gone for years. And guess what? The entire ecosystem bounced back. Rivers changed course, plants grew stronger, and animal populations balanced out. That's the power of a keystone species. So, why should we care? Because everything's connected. The air you breathe, the food you eat, the climate you live in, all rely on healthy ecosystems. That's why we protect nature and we protect ourselves. If you want to help, try planting native flowers, reducing plastic, or learning about local wildlife. And that's a wrap on ecology. From producers to predators and food webs to biodiversity, everything in nature is connected. When we understand how ecosystems work, we can make smarter choices to protect them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. See you next time on BioTime with Victoria.